So hey there, I own a 335i now. This is my 5th BMW. This is the E92, it's the coupe. What I'm doing in this video is I'm quickly showing you actually just some last minute work that I finished up, but I thought I'd post a video because I've only seen write-ups about this, but I think it's a great opportunity to show you what I've actually done. What we're doing here is we're retrofitting a alarm on this. It was already pre-installed. I actually looked up the VIN number to find that out online. So I just looked up my VIN there, went online, found out it was pre-wired. Of course, I looked inside first. So I ordered my part. It was about 400 bucks Canadian with the shipping. So I've already installed this guy. Now this is the motion sensor. It goes in kind of that center console light thing going on the ceiling. It was pre-wired, I could see right here at the top, and that was tucked in. And then this is the actual part that I had placed in there. That was super easy, okay? So that's where that goes. The next thing I had done, which was very easy as well, was open up the hood, and we had this wire that was already here, and it was kind of tucked in right here. And I just had to kind of remove the tape, and then I installed this part that came with the kit that I had ordered. And this is kind of the hood latch sensor. Right, now before I do any of this stuff, okay, which is very simple thus far, the first thing I did, of course, was I removed the negative terminal, right? Never the positive, always the negative. So the last part, and this is the part that kind of frustrated me about having to do this whole thing, is where they had put the actual siren. The siren I have yet to install. It's right here. It's the last thing I'm doing. But where it goes, of all places, is under the wheel well on the left side. So what we've done is we've obviously jacked it up, which is a little bit sketchy. I had to borrow that from another car because, of course, I don't have one with the run flats. Got some tools here. We just removed the wheel well covering, and underneath the wheel well, if you can see it up here, is the last thing I have to do. So again, I just removed the tape. Okay, the part's right in there. It was all taped up. And then what I'm going to do is just attach that once I fixture the module right on here. We got the kind of the harness, the bracket, if you will. This is the alarm. That's just the finishing pieces to it. So what I'll try and do is I'll post some pictures and maybe a little more information on this. But yeah, I got everything from, I think, ESC tuning. And yeah, able to do it in about an hour. I'm probably going to have to take this into a BMW dealership to have them code it. Because I don't think it's going to run just by plug and play. But we'll find out once I attach the negative terminal. Okay.